So you're trying to figure out how to pay your membership fee with CopyPro Traders? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step exactly what you need to do, whether you're getting started for the first time in CopyPro Traders or you're already in CopyPro Traders and you're trying to pay for your membership fee. It's the exact same process, all right? So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to where it says my dashboard. I'm going to click right here and then I'm going to go to join and renew. Now, if you're just getting started for the first time and you're not in CopyPro Traders yet, you're going to be taken to this page that I'm about to click on. As you finish up your admin data, it's going to direct you right over to this page. So I'm going to go ahead and hit join and renew. Now it's going to say pretty much pay with Bitcoin. So as I continue to scroll down, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is right here. Now, if you're using an exchange to send over your Bitcoin, please keep in mind that you're going to have to send some additional dollars along with that. So my recommendation is going to be about $8 to $10, right? Because those exchange fees, you always got to keep in mind, like, they let you sign up for free on those exchanges, but they always gonna get you with those fees. So I'll say between $8 to $10 and you should be good. All right, so now you can see I have the button that says pay with commission. So if you've earned any commissions, you can literally hit the pay with commission button and literally it'll pay your membership fee. That's if you decide to actually, build this out. Of course, that's optional. All right, so now I'm just gonna go through the actual process so you can see exactly how it works. Just if you're just a regular person that's just trying to make this happen. All right, so now you can see it says $99 and then it gives you the BTC amount right there. They make it very, very simple for you. All you have to do is literally hit copy BTC to clipboard. That's the first step. Or you could use this, right? But we're going to focus more on this because I feel like this is a whole lot more simpler. All right, so I'm going to click copy BTC. So what it just did, it copied the $99. It copied this in BTC. So now I'm going to go over here to my wallet, and I do have my wallet blocked out, just for privacy purposes. But you can see right here, it says receive and send. So we're going to be sending to CopyPro Traders. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And then I'm just going to paste the amount right in there just like that. So now you can see they put it in there for me. So $99.25. Now something you want to look at is right here where it says Bitcoin network fee, $12.48. So that's more or less what I was talking about, right? So to be on the safe side, what I typically like to do is send about an extra $12, right? Just to cover it, right? Because I could just put this in there and it may be good. But then sometimes you may have to actually go back just in case it's actually short. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the process as I usually would, right? And if I end up coming up short, I'll come back in the video and show you once it's actually approved. But we're just going to see if I'm going to end up being short. And if not, then you'll be good, especially if you're using something like Exodus. All right, so now that's the amount. So now we're gonna go back over here and we're gonna grab the copy. We're gonna copy the clipboard for the address that we need to send to. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over here and I'm gonna paste my address right here just like that. So you see that green check? That's very, very important. Now, not all wallets are gonna give you a green check, but they're gonna give you some type of something to let you know that that's an actual BTC address that you're actually going to be sending to. So just always keep that in mind. Always verify, especially when you're sending crypto, because one thing about crypto, once it's gone, it's gone. There is no reversals. There is nothing like that. So like what I do is I always verify my stuff. I take the time, right? I sit there and be like, okay, did I copy it right? Okay, did I copy a space? I always make sure because I've lost crypto in the past. Trust me. So, be very, very cautious with that. All right, so now at this point, all I literally have to do is hit send. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit send, and you can see it says send 99.25 USD, and boom, this is just a confirmation screen. All I'm gonna do is hit send. All right, so you can see it's doing this thing, success, Bitcoin sent. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here, and literally, I'm just gonna have to go through the waiting process, right? So it may take about 3 confirmations, and then I actually just heard a sound. So let's see what happened. All right, so let's see if I hit OK. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. Okay, so it sent a few seconds, and I can just verify with the transaction ID right here. But what I'm about to do is I'm about to go ahead and pause the video and then come back once it's actually complete. All right, so you can see right here, we got the transaction ID. So when I click on that transaction ID, it's gonna bring me over to this page right here. So you see there's the blocks, and then you can see 14 confirmations, right? So we know at this point, we're good to go. Now, the next thing you wanna do is you wanna go over here to my dashboard inside of Copy Pro Traders. And as you can see, there's no more join or renew, right? That's the first good sign. Now, the next thing you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and click on my purchases, because inside of here, you're gonna be able to see all of your purchases, you know, like if you're already in Copy Pro Traders, and then of course if you are a new customer. So you can see right here, 5/5 is the date paid. That's the date that I'm recording this video, and then you can see the amount, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that amount in there for you, and then BTC to USD, and we'll see that that amount is, man, I don't know why that's taking so long. All right, did I copy it? BTC to USD? I don't know what just happened there. Okay, so 98.90, right? So we good to go. At that point, we don't got nothing else to do. It's a very, very simple process. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below if you do have any additional questions, and if you're ready to get started with Copy Pro Traders, I'm gonna have my phone number down below. I have my Facebook down below, and also the first link in the description is the link to get started if you're coming across this and you were just waiting for this video to be created. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.